Hello friends, welcome you to Konexio SME IPO review. Today we brought you 80 jewelers for the discussion. The company is coming out of the IPO which is starting from 31st of March and the subscription will end on the 5th of March. Now let's discuss what the company is all about. Anupchand Tilokchand Jewelers is a well-known known in the Chhattisgarh. The company has got a main franchisee which is 80 Jewelers. The 80 Jewelers has been incorporated in 2010 by Nikesh Baradia, Nitin Baradia and Tilokchand Baradia. Now what the company do? The company is mainly in the business of trading of jewelry and ornament made of gold, silver, platinum and the studded diamonds. Okay. So how the business model works? The company's business model is very simple. It wholesales its goods to Mrs. Bhagwati, who then sells its goods to the end customers. The company also has a retail sale, which is in the name of Chhattisgarh Sales Corporation. Okay. So the business model is the company wholesales it to the Mrs. Bhagwati. Therefore, the company has to source it all the ornaments from Anupchand Tilokchand Jewelers and they can use the brand as Anupchand Tilokchand Jewelers. Now, let us discuss what the company's financial has been. The company has shown a steady growth during the last 3 years, barring the pandemic year, which everyone can understand, where the economy is not doing good. Company for FY21 has reported top line of around 79 crores and a bottom line of around 3.8 crores. The EBITDA margin has been around 8%. Now, the company in the current financial year has reported a steady growth as far as the top line is concerned. The company has reported sales of 44 crores, but its EBITDA margin has fallen from 8% to around 4%, while the net profit margin has fallen to 2%. So what has gone wrong when the top line has grown steadily? The company's procurement cost has grown very bad. From around 83 to 87%, the procurement cost has increased to 93%, and that has a severe impact on its EBITDA margin. So this raises our eyebrows. What can the future be? If the procurement cost continues to be high, whether the company will earn a good profitability going forward. Secondly, the company sells its goods to Mrs. Bhagwati in terms of the wholesaler. Okay, so the main client of the company is Mrs. Bhagwati, Grand Bhagwati. In case the Grand Bhagwati stops procurement the jewelry and ornaments from 80 jewelers, where the sales growth will be coming from, and even the retail shop of Chhattisgarh Sales Corporation. So if these two clients stop sourcing it from 80 jewelers, there would be a severe impact on the top line, and we don't need to say what the bottom line would be. Secondly, as I mentioned, the EBITDA margin in this current year has fallen to the 4%. So we do not have any sustainable, we have a doubt about the sustainability of the business going forward. Now let us talk about what's the share price is coming up in the IPO. The shares, 27 lakh shares are offered at an issue price of rupees 41. So if we compare on a P basis, on FY21, it comes to around, on the diluted EPS, it comes to around 11x. And if you analyze FY22 figures, the numbers reported by the company, the P comes to as high as 25. So what is the special things that company is aggressively charging about? We feel the prices has been very aggressively charged as far as the growth is concerned, as there is no future indication what can be the growth perspective what are the future growth driver the company is mentioning, which will drive the top line and the bottom line going forward. Therefore, we really feel the prices is very aggressively charged as far as, or we can say as compared with the future growth is concerned. Now let me give you the issue details. Company is coming out of the IPO with 27 lakh equity shares offered at a price of 41. The issue starts on the 31st of March and which will end on 5th of March. The market lot of the issue is around 3000 shares, whereas the lead managers are HIM Securities. Thank you so much